This is creepy.
And then y'all are gonna come in, grab the handrail.
Wow.
And I'm gonna get y'all to keep scooting in a little bit for me. Y'all are good right there. Y'all don't have to get too crazy. Y'all are good.
Very easy.
Y'all are gonna kind of come on.
I can't do that.
And then you're gonna reach over, grab that handrail for me, and come on. And then you'll kind of follow her on there.
Weird feeling, isn't it?
Or just hang out right there on this handrail, whichever you prefer. And this is everybody, right? Alright, so really quick, I'm gonna show y'all some weird things y'all can do in here. And then y'all won't have to hang out on the walls or look at me or hear me talk anymore. Y'all can have y'all's fun. First thing I'm gonna show you is this hole in the wall here. You're gonna find these balls that come out. I'm actually gonna hand you that ball. Can you just slowly and carefully walk down here and put it on that dot? And then just let it go. And just like those balls. And then you're gonna head on back up there with them so you can see everything good.
Oh, good Lord.
Another thing you guys can mess around with this right here, we call the infinity swing. We call this that because if you sit on this with your feet straight like this, without pumping or kicking your legs or anybody pushing you, you'll swing like this forever. The only way y'all can make it stop or slow down is to put your feet on the ground and get off of it. Another thing y'all can mess around with in this bucket, we've got some water in a mug. And if y'all don't have the best view for this, y'all can try it once I leave. I'm just kind of showing y'all how it works. But I'm actually going to hand it to you. Could you pour it into that hole right there? It might give you the same effects if you've been playing with that. And then when y'all are done with the mug, you'll just set it right back into that bucket. And if any of y'all want to feel the full kind of weight and force of that gravity, if you come to this wall and you lay flat against it, y'all are going to feel that gravity pressing on you. If anybody's back's been hurting lately, lay in here for a few minutes and straighten that back out nice and good. We also have a challenge y'all can try. You don't have to if you don't want to. But if you do a push-up facing this way, it's going to be about 2 times easier than a normal push-up. But if you turn around and try to do it facing down this way, that'll be about 5 times harder than a normal push-up. And for the harder one, wait till you're used to it, or you might do rolls and flips into that wall. And then one final trick I'll show y'all, and then I'm gonna leave you to have your fun. If y'all like the Matrix movies, if you face this wall right here with your feet firm on the ground, you kind of give your knees a good bend and your arms aligned, y'all can do the Matrix move pretty easily in here. That being said, that is everything I've got for y'all for the tour. Y'all can stay in here as long as you want. There's not like a time limit. And if you want to go back out and mess with that apple press, y'all can do that as well. But when you decide you're ready to leave, you're going to head out the doorway, head down the hallway, and then you're going to take the door to your left. That's going to get y'all to the Hall of Mystery and Bubblerama. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Y'all are welcome.
This is weird. Al?
I don't think I'm gonna wait.
Try it out. Walk down, baby. Yeah, let go, Al. Come on, let go. I don't think I can make it back up. Come on now. Let go. Just let go. Look at that. Look at that.
They need to bottle this stuff up and sell it.
Oh my God. Oh, no, that's okay.
Swing. This way. Down here. Which way to go? Yeah, down here. There you go to swing. Get bad. Put over there, Dad. Dad, he's like, he can't hold it.
Gee, forever.
Want the ball?
Gee, forever. It does pull you back, doesn't it? Come on, let's walk this way.
It's tough down here. I gotta get out of that hallway for a minute.
Which way do we go? How do you get out of here? Is that the way out?
It says Hall of Mystery right here.
I'm gonna tell you what, this is weird.
Yeah, that's the Hall of Mystery there.
Oh my God.
Oh, that rough. Yeah, you can, baby.
That'll get you.
Yeah, it got me.
Folks, I'm gonna tell you something. Now entering the Hall of Mystery. Well, I thought we just come from that. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, it gets worse. They do have aliens. Oh, spasm ball. Touch him lightly the ball and watch what happens. Take all of your metal off, Al, and touch it.
Metal.
Yeah, it says, please consider removing metal items before touching. Lightly touch the ball and watch what happens. Plasma globes are filled with rare gases. That's so crazy.